Hello, hello. I hope everyone enjoyed this song as much as I do. This song is Whenever by Shakira. Ah, ah. Lucky you were born as far away so we could both make fun of distance. Lucky that I love a foreign land for the lucky fact of your existence. Baby, I would climb the under slowly, the kind of freckles on your body. Never could imagine there were only 10 ways to love somebody. Can't you see? I'm at your feet. Whenever, wherever, we're meant to be together. I'll be there and you'll be near, and that's to do my due. You're over, you're older. You'll never have to wonder. We can always stay by here, and that's to do my due. Lucky that my lips not only mumble, they spill kisses like a fountain. Lucky that my breaths are small and humble, so you don't confuse them with mountains. Lucky that I've strong legs like my mother, to run for cover when I need it. And these two eyes that for no other, the day you leave will cry a river. At your feet, I'm at your feet. Whenever, wherever, we're meant to be together. I'll be there and you'll be near, and that's to do my due. You're over, you're over. You'll never have to wonder. We can always stay by here, and that's to do my due. Tell me one more time that you leave, lost in my eyes. Whenever, wherever, we're meant to be together. I'll be there and you'll be near, and that's to do my due. You're over, you're over. You'll never have to wonder. We can always stay by here, and that's to do my due. Whenever, whenever, we're meant to be together. I'll be there and you'll be near, and that's to do my due. You're over, you're over. You've got me head over heels. There's nothing left to feel if you really feel the way I feel.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, that was Yulechan Mahongnao. Shall we now welcome Nimzingla Horam on the stage? Nimzingla Horam. And this performance will be followed by a very short speech from the guest of honor. May I also request Shaingam Ngakang and Layarin Humau to get ready with your acting play.
Hello, hello, check. Sang room say. Thằng khai ina nali hanga hai malai ga hai la. Thằng khai ina nali mi ga hai iwi lai ga shi. Malai hai thằng hon ini wi lai sha. Malai hai thằng hon ini wi mi rin. Ning li ba cho ga hai I ga paning ma sakai mi hai alo. Ning li ba cho ga hai I ga paning ma nga chay nga sa mi lo. Thằng khai ina nali mi ga hai iwi lai ga shi. Ma lai hai thằng hon ini wi lai sha. Ma lai hai thằng hon ini wi mi rin. Iwi cho kama cha iga paning iwi sa ka ngai sa ra. Nawi cho kama cha naga paning iwi kama ya kwilo. Thằng khai ina nali mi ga hai iwi lai ga shi. Ni share.
That was Nim Zingla Horam. Ladies and gentlemen, Yulechan Mahongnao and Nim Zingla Horam are once amongst the celebrated artists of Tangkhul. Thank you so much for the mind-blowing performance. May I now call upon the guest of honor for a very short speech. First, may I call upon Akui L. Shimre, DGM, MSP, DCL. He will be followed by Michael Shaiza, BJP, Manipur State Co-in-charge on political programs and meetings.
Good evening, everyone. Respective Chief Guest, Sir Alison Abonmai, special guest, and the stars of the festival, Sonam, Top 10, and the Spectrums, the President of TNFA and his colleagues, the dignitaries of the film fraternity, and the artists of the music forum, the invitees, and my dear friends. I would like to welcome you all to the Tangkhul Naga Film Festival 2023. Films, as we have been watching, it's a window to the rest of the world. And likewise, for the rest of the world, it's a window to see us. Through films, we see, understand, and respect the culture, tradition, and the lifestyles of others. In this world we live in, there is a huge diversity, and this diversity, it's bonded in a way by films. And the filmmaking gives us the economic growth in one way, knowledge, entertainment, and even this filmmaking generates employment directly and indirectly. And for a region like us, it's promoting filmmaking is a very good step. So I would like to request all of us, let's support and promote filmmaking. As a gesture of support, I would like to contribute a little from my part. And for that, I would like to request the President TNFA to kindly receive. Thank you all. Have a wonderful evening.
Thank you so much, Akui El Shimri, TGM MSP DCL, for a very short speech. May I now call upon Michael Shaiza, PJP, Manipur State Co-in charge of political programs and meetings, President ERA, to take his time. This will be followed by an acting play by Shangam Ngakang and Layarin Humau. Please get ready.
Yamilo, Yamise. First of all, let us give thanks to our Almighty God. Because of His love, blessings and benevolence, we are all gathered here tonight on this very auspicious evening, the 14th of December 2023, for the grand ceremony of the Tangkhul Film Festival 2023. First of all, I would like to give thanks to the organizing committee for inviting me here. Thank you my dear friend Ravins and his colleagues, respected Chief Guest Dr. Alison Abonme, President Palace Ministries intending candidate for the 18 Lok Sabha election, Outer Manipur, respected Guest of Honor, Akui L. Shimri, DGM, MSPDCL, respected special guest of invitees, special invitees, and all my dear friends. As our guest of honor has rightly stated that films are a window. It is the artists and the films that we produce showcases our lifestyle, our standard of living. At the same time, the artists are the ambassadors of our society. So, to put it very bluntly, the ambassadors of Tangkhuls are the singers, the artists, the actors and the actresses. So let us all support them, vehemently, emotionally, physically, financially, with prayers also in every possible way. Itong mui artist pinghili katom se. The katom hi lan mga indramaning la. Siara sami se apongtra kay na katom pai. Jihang raga Ajuwi Film Festival hi. Ringkapa Film Festival, Kamahaya Film Festival, Kala. Hiwena Tamkui Kapaya, Shikui Kapaya, Festival Akanasada, Chi in a wish Shanghai. The Chi Hangraga, Tadei Gupsawi. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Michael Shaiza. May I now call upon Changam Ngakang and Layarin Humau from Angshonyo production for the acting play. This will be followed by a special number and speech from our chief guest. Tangkhul Naka Film Association, TNFA, came into being on 1985. In 2014, the nomenclature was changed to Tangkhul Music and Film Association, TMFA. However, in 2016, the association retains its original name, TNFA. Huinaya Paningakui was the first Tangkhul film. It was released in 1986 by the then president of TNL, P. Peter, directed by A.S. Somingam and produced under Rosower Production. Chonchon Releng of Hunpun and Ngayai Singh Shah of Shiri were the two leading actors, followed by Hanung Fulu Apinao in 1986, produced by Lions Club Tashar. Today, there are more than 30 production houses and have released more than 100 films. The mission is to make meaningful films, to enrich our arts through films and promote the artists and all the Tangkhuls involved in filmmaking. Our vision is to tell our stories to the world through films, to make the world know about us through our films. Ladies and gentlemen, Shangam Ngakang and Layarin Humau from Ang Shonyo Productions. Shall we all give another thunder of applause for them?
Nó rất là yang khờ, ngồi đây là cái, khi sao tao vào nào bên này chắc sao chỉ được cái sớm là,
lui cái hôn bình vì khang cái cháu khó, sao chỉ nào đã theo là,
vào nào bên này là sao cái chuyện nó,
khờ mấy sáng, ông nói cái thằng sim đi bấm sớm chứ là, à bấm hili khi chân khrak là,
chẳng có mang là, nó rất mất thấy, bấm phục mất chim được, nó bấm được giàu khrak không,
theo lu đi bấm mấy nè, mi bình nhà ra thế cơ, ông nói khâu bình ngâm shiman hay bài xin,
cái chẳng hết là, nó chỉ thà là gì cơ, ở đây nó mang anh ngon thật chỉ thế lâu chỉ là,
à mấy sáng. Amai, apa mi mom tham la, kalau kepung hiwi te kamde, ngasanda kepen ngawa sarala, ning mayung naya.
ya cái không thà, thế không thấy, cái là linh không may dùng, à bấm hili, chui không may, mà thà không may, người đi cái hai người linh số bấm được lại ý, cái làm mà mãi là,
Mahai naya, ka kushung ning sing gai, makha guthu uklum jina, ili khayin bida, manurim ngakami vang.
ô cô thấy mi bình ngầm mà thấy sao là, cái phong hili lấy được lấy, shiri shira, ôn chỉ vào bình, ini willing shot là một số mi được lấy.
Ini wi tuy ngờ shi mơ ngờ chơi lũy mơ rơ
The burning mơ chơi vì a sơ.
sinh cùng na cam tuy hậu rơ a tâm na lòng tuy hậu rơ khơi ini wi lấy ngờ shi mơ ngờ chơi
I want love but the hậu chính nó là chính hậu rơ khơi ini vì lấy cái gì mơ ngỡ chơi.
Khi sao chắc có vào xuống cái phần khai là,
Nali kya kashi da, ki tui ay nahang log jikla. Ki wi vang ya ka pap mata thukla. Inali kre jan sang fai ataw ma lei lui mana.
ya cái chui đó xem cả cái lấy sao, sibon sinh rồi khá thà đó, cái là thằng ya coi bị khăn khăn sẽ thà đó, cái là sibon học cái gì cái là,
Na wi vang maram ma khaling sa sa la bai. Kha I wi vang va. Ati sam ka phang hina kha na wa sam ka phang. Ili lat lui da ma hok lui lu. Ka ji I wi shong phi chi ka lu.
yêu lấy cái gì liver, nuôi ninh jam, nuôi sao ngay chân rồi mấy khara vậy chăng,
Adam ji kan tui ai ra. I bang jolo. 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 Lat lui da ma mu chuk lui lu. Ji zen ka hai khar jan chu bi ba.
bất khả trong ga hai plung hi li mo ga shalom li lu so part of legacy mo ga shalom li lu so part of legacy mo ga li lu so part of legacy mo ga shalom
Mathashun Gahai, Leshilap Gahai, acting play, Angshonyo production, Huena, Shangam Gakang, Aina Learin, Humau, Nasami Haijivang, Nishikachang Kadaire. We shall now listen to a special song and speech from our chief guest, Dr. Alison Abonmai, the president of Palace Ministries, intending candidate of 18th Lok Sabha election, Outer Manipur. May I give this time to you? For your information, our chief guest today is a very good singer and musician. He is also known as the gospel cowboy. Please give a loud round of applause for our chief guest.
Good evening. Guitar ngai bo inai gi speech si loisin ngai honarage. I am privileged to stand before you. I am nungai. Ahan mamagta da isorbu thagali ani subada organizing committee. Lengbi rei bai khoi gi dignitaries mayam. Adaga babok mayam bo. Thank you, Haina Haizaningi. If God opens the door, no one can shut. And if He shuts the door, no one can open. Ishorna, Ekhoibunung Sibiri, life is meeting and departing. There is a meeting place called heaven for those who accept Christ. But there is a departing place called hell for those who reject Christ. And number one, Ishor Bulausin Nangai Honasi. Adaga tangkul gi mi singsi masai am phajabani nupi su am phajai nupa su am phajai ai tangkul nupi lawuni ai gi nupi mingna jingran firuiwa kawi ma se somdal degini adana tangkul festival gi damakta ai busu saruk yanaba haina kaubirak busi am nungai. Let us celebrate this day to bring unity, to inspire and to transform life. Yam nuai adana masigi tangkul festival committee da aina haizening badi akhoi gi film festival asi one of the oldest Manipur da khoi digi yamna maming leiraba industry amani akhoi na Korean movies yengli Japan gi movies yengli Thai gi yengli adudi akhoi tangkul gi movie singsu prithibhi sing tunna akhoi yenghansi hai haizeningi adana I sida lakhabne na Tangkul Festival gi committee singda I film gi promotion gi damakta noi season na nangai hena 10 lakhs asi next project ki damakta pizari adana next film da storyline sui bigini adaga khoi khut samnaraga khoi mayam Tangkul gi film festival si chawkhat nangai khoi mayam let us join our hands together to bring laurels for our society adaga harau nai khoi punsi si len si hai janingi Grew up in the countryside where the clear streams are flowing, where the songbirds are singing a beautiful song. One day I went to country church, our preacher read John 4 and 6. I am the way, the truth and the life, you touch my broken heart. Kneel down and pray, Lord, may your will be done. Show me the green pastures, show me the way. Let me be the clay, 'cause you are the potter. You picked me up from the dusty road and made me the gospel cowboy. Stood up for the gospel's sake, winning the lost souls for Him. On the road to the pilgrimage, no one could stop me. When I remember the rugged cross, I know He's waiting for me there. With loving hands, He'll welcome me home and say, well done, my child. Kneel down and pray, Lord, may your will be done. Show me the green pastures and show me the way. Let me be the clay, 'cause you are the potter. Pick me up from the dusty road and made me the gospel cowboy. done. Show me the green pastures, show me the way. Let me be the clay, 'cause you are the potter. You picked me up from the dusty road and made me the gospel cowboy. Thank you. Howziki next ki isai sidi noi sakmi na bayagani. You're my best friend. You place a gold on my finger. You brought love like I've never known. You gave a life to our children and to me a reason to go. You're my bread when I'm hungry. You're my shelter from troubled wind. You're my anchor in life's ocean. But most of all, you're my best friend. When I need hope and inspiration in a land like I've never known. Thank you.
And that just took my breath away. Such a talented singer. Thank you so much, Dr. Alison Abonmai, President, Palace Ministries, intending candidate 18 Lok Sabha election, Outer Manipur, for not only coming here as a chief guest, but also presenting such beautiful numbers for us. Our chief guest today has a really big heart. May God continue to bless you in all your endeavors. May His blessings continue to grow as you step into the field of serving the people. May I now, also I extend my heartfelt welcome to Sonam Top 10. He is here with us now. Please stand from where you are seated and wave at the crowd. Thank you so much for joining us today. That is Sonam Top 10. Ladies and gentlemen, he is a well-known singer, songwriter, and composer from Manali, Himachal Pradesh. He sings Hindi, English, Nepali, Tibetan, and Pudanese. Ladies and gentlemen, a loud round of applause for Sonam Top 10. Thank you so much for joining us today. You are so much welcome here. You already know the crowd awaits your performance. May I now call upon Tainem Katamnaulong for the special performance, which will be followed by Horyun Production, followed by Shonshon SP, followed by Reitimla Kapai, followed by a dance performance from Jumping Pirates. Now the stage is yours. Tainem Katamnaulong, please take the stage. Itum artist katongali ring palak ina welcome sa khilak se mathang rasar perform sa ki kichipingji chene itum tangkhol naw pingwa patience leilake na ngarang room se khamatha performance sami gida leidale Tainem Katamnaulong na Nashu atam ji khuyarno chena atam mazang khawai Horyun production Chonchon SP Retimla Kapai Jumping Pirates ready kasamiolo. May I call upon Retimla Kapai to take your time. Retimla Kapai, the stage is yours. Retimla Kapai. Atam mazangkwai hangahai artist pingjina ngaran ngaye thakta samyaruno itumui performance kachung khala leifiye chi ena itum atam singthela kaina zatwang room se Retimla Kapai kup kahai wi thili hangahai aming pingjina mathang shokmirano.
Ho shake ho ho. Everybody loves the things you do, from the way you talk to the way you move. Everybody here is watching you, 'cause you feel like home, you're like a dream come true. But if by chance you're here alone, can I have a moment before I go? 'Cause I'm by myself all night long, hoping you're someone I used to know. You look like a movie, you sound like a song. My God, this reminds me of when we were young. Let me photograph you in this light, in case it ain't the last time, to remind me exactly like we were before we realized we were sad of getting old and make me restless. It was just like a movie. It was just like a song. I was so scared to face my fear, 'cause nobody told me that you'd be here. And I swear you move overseas, that's what you say when you left me. It still looked like a movie, it still
sound like a song. My God, it reminds me of when we were young. Let me photograph you in this land, decaying in a last time, to remind me exactly like we were before we realized we were safe. Getting old, it makes me restless. It was just like a movie, it was just like a song. When we were young, when we were young, when we were young, when we were young. It's hard to win me back. Everything just take me back to when you were there, to when you were there. And the part of me keep holding on, just in case it hasn't gone. I guess I still care, do you still care? It was just like a movie, it was just like a song. My God, this reminds me of when we were young. Let me photograph you in this light, gazing in the last time, to remind me exactly like we were before we realized we were sad of getting old. It makes me restless. Oh, I'm so mad at getting old. It makes me restless. It was just like a movie, it was just like a song. When we were young.
Thank you.
Ray Timla Kapai, you've got a powerful voice. Thank you so much for your performance. May I now call upon Tainem Katamnao Long. Tainem Katamnao Long, the stage is yours. Tainem Katamnao Long will be followed by Shon Shon SP. Yari na tinam katalaw ng pambalagi na katekism. Thank you so much, Tinam Katanalo, for the breathtaking traditional dance performance. Thank you for keeping our tradition alive. I now give this time to Shonshong SP. Shonshong SP, the stage is all yours. Shonshong SP Italy, Jumping Pirates now. Kamaran Samiarano.
Allons-y.
Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ
performance you wang shon shon SPL ka jangkhat ningshi de ara atam hi jumping pirates limi de atam hi jumping pirates limi de hi kuklashida Vice President TNFA we in a word of thanks nganang rumailika musical night Oking band aina sonam top dan we ina itum nganang rumra chi ina helam salo kachukale dele fiye ring power mission to say atam himidele jumping pirates I now give this time to jumping pirates. The stage is yours. This will be followed by a word of thanks from Vice President TNFA.
Nishan camera jumta tung mulla stage lihai tak le camera jumta tung mulla aramba asin ngok chena jumta tung mulla okay
hello这个是哪张品没少的？那如今来场上上来的领丢市场的。
Drop it low. Switch the beat. hopeless swing and she might just go high. Dip go swing, no tags on. Hand long so she grab on. No brakes on gas on. Hey, hey, as this go S-T-P-I-D. We don't need ID. Straight to the VIP. Eyes on you, but the drinks I'm on a mission. Dipping with no witness. Dipping with your bitch. And 6 friends. Slip and slide. No intermission. Make a quick decision. Watch out before your bitch go missing. Slip and slide.
Listen up. Cartier frames Cartier on his wrist. Instead of bipping the window, he bipping the bitch. He got oil on his tongue, he talk real slick. He capable of making baby come out of fit. Rap game ain't dad. He make her apologize every time he go bad. Ain't no simping in the imping, ain't no slacking in the mat. Take the exit, hit the corner in the traffic car gap. Boots on the ground, scraping the cake. Sleeves rolled up, hustle with now. He take the soil with it. Everywhere he places cut, she gon' choose it. Like a criminal lineup.
S-T-P-I-D. We don't need ID. Straight to VIP. Eyes on you, but the drinks I'm on the miss. Dipping with no witness. Dipping with your bitch. And 6 friends. Slip and slide. No intermission. Make a quick decision. Watch out before your bitch go missing. Slip and slide. I'm on a. Slip inside. I'm on a. Slip inside.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was Jumping Pirates, a group of young and talented people. Such mind-blowing performance. Thank you so much. I now give this time to Vice President TNFA for the word of thanks, which will be followed by musical night by Oking Band and Sonam Top Dan.
Hello. First of all, I thank you, moderator, for giving me this ample time to give words of thanks. On this auspicious occasion, I, on behalf of Tangku Nakar Film Association, and of my own behalf, would like to thank Honorable Dr. Alison Aponmei, President, Police Ministries attending candidate 18 Lok Sabha election, Outer Manipur for taking trouble and make this function a grand success. Thanking you, sir, and to your colleagues. We are proud of you, and we will always honor and cherish your valuable guidance and support in near future. May Almighty God bless you in your public ministry. I also extend my hearty gratitude to Michael Caesar and Akwi L. Shimre, manager, MSPDCL, and his working committee members who have supported for this function. The NFA will give full cooperation to you all as to enable us to improve our association. I thank all the special case of invitees and dignitaries who have come to support and witness the Tangku Nakar Film Association function. Your presence is our satisfaction. We need your suggestion and support for developing the TNFA. And also I thank who are present and take initiative in this program. Again, I thank all the celebrities who have staged and screened for missions of the NFA. It is you who shine an association to reach the target goal. TNFA hopefully waiting for your personal involvement to improve our association. Lastly, I thank the working committee of TNFA who have taken so much keen interest to lift up TNFA to higher state and for success of this function. If I have missed out anybody, I beg your pardon. Here I close on my word of thanks to one and all.
Thank you so much, Vice President TNFF, for the short word of thanks. We shall now get ready for the musical night. May I ask Oking Band to get ready with the setup. The audience are all ready. Oking Band, please get ready with the setup. Tangkhul Naga Film Association, TNFA, came into being in 1985. In 2014, the nomenclature was changed to Tangkhul Music and Film Association, TMFA. However, in 2016, the association retains its original name, TNFA. Huinaya Paningakui was the first Tangkhul film. It was released in 1986 by then President of TNLP, Peter, directed by A.S. Somingam, and produced under Rosower Production. Chonchon Releng of Hunpun and Ngayai Singh Shah of Chiri were the two leading actors. This was followed by Hanung Fulu Apinao in 1986, produced by Lions Club Tashar. Today, there are more than 30 production houses and have released more than 100 films. The mission is to make meaningful films, to enrich our arts through films and promote the artists and all the Tangkhuls involved in filmmaking. Our vision is to tell our stories to the world through films, to make the world know about us through our films. Ladies and gentlemen, our musical evening will be graced by Sonam Top Dan, Sonam Topdan, the multilingual sensation, has taken the music and film world by storm. In the ever-evolving world of music and cinema, one name that continues to shine brightly is Sonam Topdan. Born in the town of Manali, Himachal Pradesh, India, on April 30, 1994, Sonam Topdan's journey from a small hill to becoming a global sensation is nothing short of remarkable. His talent transcends boundaries as he effortlessly sings in languages as diverse as Hindi, Nepali, English, Tibetan, and Bhutanese. At an early age, Sonam Topdan set out on a journey that would lead him to Kathmandu, Nepal. He ventured to Nepal for his studies, and from that moment onwards, he has called the vibrant capital city of Kathmandu his home. This change in location proved to be a pivotal moment in his life, setting the stage for a truly international career. In 2017, Sonam Topdan made a significant mark in the music industry when he released a cover song of Hawaiian, a popular track from the movie Jab Hari Met Sejal, originally sung by Arjit Singh. The cover song garnered immense attention and catapulted Sonam into the limelight. With over 20 million views on YouTube and a rapidly growing fan base, he quickly became a global sensation. Ladies and gentlemen, that is Sonam Topdan for you. Are you ready for the night? Kathali, are you ready for the evening? Pangmaidahang sila. Are you ready for the evening? Can I get another yes? Yeah, that's more like it. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the one and only Sonam Topdan. Once again, he is a well-known singer, songwriter, and composer from Manali, Himachal Pradesh. Mermaid of Vause, ito may welcome sa adalay jitay sa panglagay na Vause. Ngalanaw bing kabaw jishap kahayla, mermaid ang mamangayam la. Miar na akon la siya sila. Kaniniwang room sila. Okay.
Check. Check. Hello, check. Can someone help me on the stage with the aux cable, please? Check. Is this the mic? Or can please someone on the stage, can you help me with the aux cable, please? Someone from the sound department? like to sing?
Yarina ningra khaim samiolo issue hi technical problem. Ktiau khali da khlai ne chaina hita problem le khaba matha mai da chokai gichi han le da le chaina na thumna maningra glak la ring phala kaina ngarai room sei ila jang da ngarai da le siklak salala na thumla khangrai milak lo chi hangai da le Chaina announcement sangai dele lost and found phone aka announcing budli le dele lost and found phone aka chaina company wi aming chaina chirula rahang mi laga rang thing khui milo announcing budhile
Hello. Hello, Yukrul. I'm so happy to be here. I've always wanted to come to Manipur, so I'm finally here, and thank you so much for showing up. It's such a beautiful place and beautiful people. And I'll be singing lots of songs today, and I hope you guys will join. And after a while, I'll want everyone, in front of the stage dance with me. Is that all right? Are you guys gonna join with me in a while? All right then. Let's do a few.
मैनू इतना मैं प्यार करा एक पल विच 100 बार करा तू जावे जे मैनू छड़ के मौत दा इंतजार करा
Come on, sing.
कि तेरे लिए दुनिया छोड़ दी है तुझ पे ही सांस आके रुके मैं तुझको कितना चाहता हूँ कि तू कभी सोच ना सके कि तेरे लिए दुनिया छोड़ दी है तुझ पे ही सांस आके रुके मैं तुझको कितना चाहता हूँ कि तू कभी सोच ना सके कुछ भी नहीं है ये जहां, तू है तो है इसमें जिंदगी। कुछ भी नहीं है ये जहां, तू है तो है इसमें जिंदगी। अब मुझको जाना है कहाँ के तू ही सफर है आखिरी, कि तेरी और मुझको लेके चले कि दुनिया भर के सब रास्ते। मैं तुझको कितना चाहता हूँ कि तू कभी सोच ना सके, कि तेरे लिए दुनिया छोड़ दी है, तुझ पे ही सांस आके रुके। मैं तुझको कितना चाहता हूँ कि तू कभी सोच ना सके। That was beautiful. Thank you so much, man. आँखों की है ये ख्वाहिशें के चेहरे से तेरे ना हटे, नींदों में मेरे बस तेरे हैं, ख्वाबों ने ली है करवटें, कि तेरे बिना जीना मुमकिन नहीं, न देना कभी मुझको तू फासले। मैं तुझको कितना चाहता हूँ कि तू कभी सोच ना सके, कि तेरे लिए दुनिया छोड़ दी है, तुझ पे ही सांस आके रुके। मैं तुझको कितना चाहता हूँ कि तू कभी सोच ना सके। That was beautiful, right? Thank you so much. Wow, I'm so enjoying. All right. You guys know this song, right? It's one of my favorite songs. It's always fun to sing this song. Because you know what? I love you all. And this song is what exactly says. दिल कहे क्या राज है, जाने क्या कर गए, जैसे अंधेरों में तुम चांदनी भर गए। क्या राज है, जाने क्या कर गए, जैसे अंधेरों में तू चांदनी भर गए। कर चांद तारों को मशहूर इतना क्यों, कम वक्त इनसे भी खूबसूरत है तू। Sing it. Yeah, no, 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 I love you too. Yeah, no, I love you. Yeah, I love you. दिन भर कर बातें हम फिर भी लगे, बातें अधूरी आज कल, मन की दहलीजों पे कोई आए ना, बस तुम जरूरी आज कल। अब्र मैं हूँ तू आसमां है, पास है तू फिर कहाँ है, दिल के खुदा के मुझ पे ये नादत है तू। I love you, yeah, I love you. Wow, beautiful, beautiful. Thank you so much. कभी कभी मुझे लगता है तेरे आजकल बातें अधूरी आजकल, इतना तो मुझे है मालूम मिलके तुझे बेहतर मैं इंसान बन गया। थोड़ा थोड़ा तुझसे सीखा प्यार करने का तरीका, जिद मेरे तू नहीं मेरी आदत है तू। I love you, yeah, I love you. हाँ दिल का है क्या राज है, जाने क्या कर गए, जैसे अंधेरा में तुम चांदनी भर गए। कर चांद तारों को मशहूर इतना क्यों, कम वक्त इनसे भी खूबसूरत है तू। Sing it! Yeah, oh, I love you, yeah, I love you. You grow. I love you. I love you.
Let's do this very romantic song, all right? You guys can come.
हम तेरे बिन अब रह नहीं सकते, तेरे बिना क्या वजूद मेरा। हम तेरे बिन अब रह नहीं सकते, तेरे बिना क्या वजूद मेरा। तुझसे जुदा कर हो जाएंगे तो खुद से ही हो जाएंगे जुदा, क्योंकि तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो जिंदगी, अब तुम ही हो वो चैन भी, मेरा दर्द भी, मेरे आशिकी, अब तुम ही हो। तेरा मेरा रिश्ता है कैसा, एक पल दूर गवार नहीं। तेरे लिए हर रोज है जीते, तुझको दिया मेरा वक्त सभी, कोई लम्हा मेरा ना हो तेरे बिना, हर सांस पे नाम तेरा। क्योंकि तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो जिंदगी अब तुम ही हो, चैन भी मेरा दर्द भी मेरे आशिकी अब तुम ही हो। Thank you. Wow, looking beautiful. तेरे लिए ही जिया मैं खुद को जो यूं दे दिया है, तेरी वफा ने मुझको संभाला, सारी गमों को दिल से निकाला। तेरे साथ मेरा है नसीब जुड़ा, तुझे पाके अधूरा न रहा, क्योंकि तुम ही हो। Louder everyone there. मेरा दर्द भी मेरी आशिकी अब तुम ही हो, क्योंकि तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो। जिंदगी अब तुम ही हो, चैन भी मेरा दर्द भी मेरे आशिकी अब तुम ही हो। Thank you. Beautiful. Thank you so much. शायद कभी न कह सकूं मैं तुमको, कहे बिना समझ लो तुम शायद मेरे ख्याल में तुम एक दिन मिलो कभी मुझे तुम शायद, जो तुम ना हो रहेंगे हम नहीं, जो तुम ना हो रहेंगे हम नहीं। न चाहिए कुछ तुमसे ज्यादा तुमसे कम नहीं, जो तुम ना हो रहेंगे हम नहीं, जो तुम ना हो रहेंगे हम नहीं। न चाहिए कुछ तुमसे ज्यादा तुमसे कम नहीं। आँखों को ख्वाब देना खुद ही सवाल करके, खुद ही जवाब देना तेरी तरफ से। बिन काम काम करना जाना कहीं हो चाहे, हर बार ही गुजरना तेरी तरफ से। ये कोशिशें तो होगी कम नहीं, ये कोशिशें तो होगी कम नहीं। न चाहिए कुछ तुमसे ज्यादा तुमसे कम नहीं, जो तुम ना हो रहेंगे हम नहीं, जो तुम ना हो रहेंगे हम नहीं। न चाहिए कुछ तुमसे ज्यादा तुमसे कम नहीं, जो तुम ना हो जो तुम ना हो जो तुम ना हो रहेंगे हम नहीं, जो तुम ना हो रहेंगे हम नहीं।
Are you guys enjoying? All right, let's do more songs. तेरे हवाले।
के भी करीब तू हमेशा पास था, कि 100 जन्म भी देखती है तेरा रास्ता। न हो के भी करीब तू हमेशा बस था, के 100 जन्म भी देखते हैं तेरा रास्ता। जो भी है सब मेरा तेरे हवाले कर दिया, जिस्म का हर रुआ तेरे हवाले कर दिया। जो भी है सब मेरा तेरे हवाले कर दिया, जिस्म का हर रुआ तेरे हवाले कर दिया।
Too much effect is going on. थोड़ा reverb ज़्यादा हो गया। Sure.
ज़माना सारा बरम है, इश्क इबादत इश्क करम है। मेरे लिए तू बरकत का तावीज़ है, हो मेरे लिए तू छत है पिया, तू रब की मुझे ने मद है पिया। तू मेरे लिए तू बरकत का तावीज़ है। जरा कभी मेरी नजर से खुद को देख भी, है चाँद में भी दाग पर न तुझ में एक भी। खुद से हक मेरा तेरे हवाले कर दिया, जिस्म का हर रुआ तेरे हवाले कर दिया। जिस्म का हर रुआ तेरे हवाले कर दिया। मैनू चढ़या इश्क में रंग तेरा, रब मिलया अंग मेरा, अंग तेरा रब मिलया जग मिलया माही मैनू संग तेरा।
I just, learned this song this morning and I sang it. So I hope it was all right. The effect was a little bit too much on the monitor. I'm not sure if the effect is a little bit too much. Just a little bit down, slight.
Request aga sangai dele volunteer aga khani stage le hai mi khaning shinara. Volunteer aga khani stage le hai mi khaning shinara.
Come up, you guys in together.
न मारेगी दीवानगी मेरी, न मारेगी आवारगी मेरी, के मारेगी ज्यादा मुझे मौत से नाराजगी तेरी। क्यों इतना हुआ है तू खफा, है जिद किस बात की तेरी, के मारेगी ज्यादा मुझे मौत से नाराजगी तेरी। जानसार है जानसार तेरे प्यार पे मेरे यार, जानसार है। दुनिया जमाने से रिश्ते मिटाए हैं, तुझसे ही यारी है हमारी एक बार तो मैंने निभाया है करके दिखाया है, ले तेरी बारी एक बारी तू भी प्यार निभा, तू भी प्यार निभा ओ यारा, तेरी बैरों की सी है बड़ी उम्र इंतजार की तेरी के मारेंगे ज़ियादा मुझे मौत से नाराज़गी तेरी क्यों इतना हुआ है तूफान जिद किस बात की तेरी के मारेगी ज़्यादा मुझे मौत से नाराज़गी तेरी जानसार है जानसार तेरे प्यार पे मेरे यार जानसार है जानसार तेरे प्यार पे मेरे यार जानसार है Wow. That's it. Now you're looking good. All right. Are you guys all right? You guys not feeling cold, right? It's very cold. खुदा ने इस जहां में सभी के लिए किसी न किसी को है बनाया हर किसी के तेरा मिलना है उस रब का इशारा मान मुझको बनाया तेरे जैसे ही किसी के लिए कुछ तो है तुझसे कुछ तो है तुझसे कैसे हम जाने हमें कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता कैसे हम जाने हमें क्या बता कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता तू हम सफर है फिर क्या फिक्र है जीने की वजह यही है मरना इसी के लिए कहते हैं खुदा ने इस जहां में सभी के लिए किसी न किसी को है बनाया हर किसी के लिए वो जाते जाते मुझ पे कर गया गुजरता लम्हा एक दामन भर गया तेरा नजारा मिला रोशन सितारा मिला तकदीर की कश्तियों को किनारा मिला सदियों से तरसे है जैसे जिंदगी के लिए तेरी सोबत में दुआएं हैं उसी के तेरा मिलना है उस रब का इशारा मां मुझको बनाया तेरे जैसे ही किसी के लिए राबता कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता कैसे हम जाने हमें क्या पता कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता तू हम सफर है फिर क्या फिक्र है जीने की वजह यही है मरना इसी के लिए बनाते हैं खुदा ने इस जहां में सभी के, किसी ना किसी को है बनाया हर किसी के लिए। वो तुझको मैं रख लूं वहां जहां पे कहीं है मेरा यकीन। मैं जो तेरा न हुआ किसी का नहीं, किसी का नहीं। Sing it everyone. ले जाए जाने का, ले जाए तुझे कहाँ हवाएं, बेगानी है ये बागी हवाएं, हवाएं ले जाए मुझे कहाँ हवाएं, ले जाए जाने कहाँ न मुझको खबर न तुझको पता। Everyone! So beautiful, guys. Thank you so much. बनाती है जो तू वो याद जाने संग मेरे कब तक चले, इन्हीं में तो मेरी सुबह भी ढले शाम ढले मौसम ढले, ख्यालों का शहर तू जाने तेरे होने से ही आबाद है। हवाएं हक में वही है आते जाते जो तेरा नाम ले, देती है जो सदाई न जाने क्या बताए। ले जाए तुझे कहाँ हवाएं, ले जाए मुझे कहाँ हवाएं, ले जाए जाने कहाँ न मुझको खबर न तुझको बता। Everyone sing it. चेहरा क्यों मिलता तेरा यूं खाबों से मेरे, ये क्या राज है। कल भी मेरी न थी तू, न होगी तू मेरी आज है। तेरी है मेरी सारी वफाएं, मांगी है तेरे लिए दुआएं। ले जाए तुझे कहाँ हवाएं, ले जाए मुझे कहाँ हवाएं, हवाएं ले जाए जाने कहाँ, ले जाए तुझे कहाँ, ले जाए जाने कहाँ, ले जाए मुझे कहाँ, ले जाए जाने कहाँ। जाए मुझे कहाँ, ले जाए जाने कहाँ, ले जाए मुझे कहाँ। ओ
Thank you so much. Wow. You guys have no idea how beautiful you guys are looking right now. You guys are so beautiful. Thank you so much.
हंसता रहता हूँ तुझसे मिलकर क्यों आजकल, बदले बदले हैं मेरे देवर क्यों आजकल। आंखें मेरी हर जगह ढूंढे तुझे बेवजह, ये मैं हूँ या कोई और है मेरी तरह। तू इतना जरूरी कैसे हुआ मुझे, come on! तू इतना जरूरी कैसे हुआ।
That was awesome. Thank you.
मैं बारिश की बोली समझता नहीं था, हवाओं से मैं यूं उलझता नहीं था, सीने में दिल भी कहाँ थी मुझे ये खबर। कहीं पे हो रात कहीं पे सवेरे, आवारगी रही साथ मेरे। ठहर जा ये कहती है तेरी नजर, क्या हाल हो गया है ये मेरा। आंखें मेरी हर जगह ढूंढे तुझे बेवजह, ये मैं हूँ या कोई और है मेरी तरह।
Come on, sing it!
तू इतना जरूरी कैसे हुआ, कैसे हुआ, कैसे हुआ। तू इतना जरूरी कैसे हुआ, कैसे हुआ, कैसे हुआ। तू इतना जरूरी कैसे हुआ, कैसे हुआ, कैसे हुआ। तू इतना जरूरी कैसे हुआ।
Thank you. That was beautiful. Thank you, guys. All right, so the next song is I'm gonna start, a little bit like. All right, so you guys ready to jump? Everyone on the back, I want everyone, please. I'm requesting you to please come on the front, and we'll all dance together. Come on. This is a fun night. Come on, everyone.
ऐसी क्या चली हवा खिल गई मेरी सांसों को मुझसे दूर तेरे पास और मुझे हुआ एहसास तू 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 मेरी मैं तेरा होने लगा मैं तेरा तू मेरी होने लगी ऐसी क्या चली हवा खिल गई मेरी सांसों को मुझसे दूर तेरे पास और मुझे हुआ एहसास Come on! तू 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 मैं तेरा होने लगा मैं तेरा तू मेरी होने लगी न जानू मैं न जाने तू हुआ ये जादू कैसे जो मेरा था वो खो गया जो तेरा मिल गया जैसे इस दिल में जब जाना के बस तू Come on! तू मेरी होने लगी everyone jump 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 क्यों कभी लगा है जैसे हाँ यही बस यही समा है जिसमें जिंदगी है जीने ऐसी एक पल है बागी जैसे अजनबी जहाँ के लग जाए गले जैसे तू चले और दुनिया तेरे संग चले जैसे रात चुपके से तेरी कानों में कहे कि अब तो जाने क्यों मैं तेरा होने लगा मैं तेरा तू मेरी होने लगी तू मेरी मैं तेरा होने लगा मैं तेरा तू मेरी होने लगी ऐसे क्या चली हवा खिल गई मेरी सांसों को मुझसे दूर तेरे पास और मुझे हुआ एहसास Come on! तू 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 मेरी मैं तेरा होने लगा मैं तेरा तू मेरी होने लगी Come on! 1, 2, 3, jump! मैं तेरा होने लगा मैं तेरा तू मेरी होने लगी
Thank you. That was beautiful. Thank you guys so much. Alright, so I've got just 2 more songs left. So everyone on the back, I'm requesting again, and everyone on the chair as well, please come up. We're gonna have a great night together. Come on.
मतलबी हो जा जरा मतलबी दुनिया की सुनता है क्यों खुद की भी सुन ले कभी कुछ बात गलत भी हो जाए कुछ तेरी ये दिल भी खो जाए बेफिक्र धड़कने इस तरह से चले शोर गूंजे यहाँ से वहाँ come on सूरज डूबा है यारो दो घुट नशे के मारे रास्ते भूला दो सारे घर बार के सूरज डूबा है यारो दो घुट नशे के मारे गम तुम भूला दो सारे संसार के जो गुजरता सा लम्हा एक दामन भर गया गुजरता सा लम्हा एक दामन तेरा नजारा मिला रोशन सितारा मिला तकदीर की कश्तियों को किनारे कि खुद गर्ज सी ख्वाहिश लिए बेसास भी हम तुम जिए है गुलाबी गुलाबी समा come on and roll सूरज दो खुद रास्ते भूला दो सारे घर बार के जो Jump everyone सूरज डूबा है यारो दो नशे के मारे रास्ते भूला दो सारे घर बार के सूरज डूबा है यारो दो नशे के मारे गम तुम भूला दो सारे संसार के That was wonderful. Thank you guys so much.
So the next song is going to be my last song for tonight. So I hope everyone sing with me and dance. All right, you guys ready for the last song? हमको कहते सुपरमैन ऑन कर लो हैंडीकैप from AM to PM बंदे at your service man come on guys तन में लव करता बेमतलब करता बाहों में आ सोनिए बस आज रात के लिए साड़ी कैसी है ये दा साड़ी ते हो जाने फिदा बाहों में आ सोनिए
बस आज रात के लिए सुबह होने ना दे साथ खोने ना दे एक दूसरे को हम सोने ना दे तू मेरा हीरो ओ ओ ओ ओ ओ ओ ओ तू मेरा हीरो ओ ओ सुबह होने ना दे साथ खोने ना दे एक दूसरे को हम सोने ना दे मैं तेरा हीरो हा मैंने तू हॉट लगती लखत नोट लगती मौका मिला है अभी होगा ना फिर ये कभी सनत टच कर ले ए मचक टू मच कर ले ए बाहों में आसानिए बस आज रात के लिए सुने सुबह तू मेरा हीरो सुबह होने ना दे साथ खोने ना दे एक दूसरे को हम सोने ना दे मैं तेरा हीरो 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 मैं तेरा हीरो सुन लो जरा अमीरो बंदा मेरा पिता मैं फ्रेंड सबता देखे दुनिया के कोने बस हम दोनों ही सोने कुड़ियों में अपने चर्चे हम पे करते हैं खर्चे लाड ने ऐसा धोया मैं जान बजा के सोया सूरज से मैंने बोला हाँ बोला बोला सुबह होने ना दे साथ खोने ना दे एक दूसरे को हम सोने ना दे तू मेरा हीरो हीरो ओ हीरो तू मेरा हीरो सुबह होने ना दे साथ खोने ना दे एक दूसरे को हम सोने ना दे मैं तेरा हीरो 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 मैं तेरा हीरो ओ ओ ओ ओ ओ मैं तेरा हीरो ओ ओ Got no handicap from AM to PM. One day extra serviceman. Come on, go! Boom, boom, shot, shot. मारेंगे सारी रात. Boom, boom, shot, shot. मारेंगे, मारेंगे. Boom, boom, shot, shot. मारेंगे सारी रात. Boom, boom, shot, shot. मारेंगे, मारेंगे. Thank you. Thank you guys so much. Be safe. Have a great night. Love you all. Thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was your talented, handsome Sonam Top 10, the well-known singer, songwriter and composer from Manali, Himachal Pradesh. We shall have another performance from Sonam tomorrow. Come on time to reserve the best seat to watch him perform. And we have our anthem, which will be played by Layasor Rimai, followed by closing prayer from Enoch Ningshan as the director is division. Yarina la kubai do umi kaim salo itum ko ang apak room say Sehag sahi ngachang sang laka umrum sayda hangaye ari hi tumna tangkul wi anthem hi leya sorry mai wi aina nganangrum say chiwi tili closing prayer hi Enoch Ningshen as the director is division. Leya sorry mai na stage likami orino. Chain preparation samung dali laka announcement na kasanga ye Redmi 12 tatunga wichi chaina thei le ka khui laka announcing booth hili ka khira mila kloda hangai dali ari perform saki gichi hi leya sorry mai tangkhulwi anthem perform saki gichi ne chena ngachang sango gida itam sai kord na nganinga laka nganangrom lu shit say chiwi thili closing prayer rahora. Ning Shinai Re, Leaso Rimaili, Lishila Kai, musical piece we formain the Tankul anthem Kong Mikai Chubang, Ara Kang Chang we say Hahi Enoch Ningshan, SDA director is division Li Hogang Idre, and Kang Chang we say Ha Sami Arunu.
Yari angning hiaina siasase. Itum zai koroli sem khmia khringa vrivra tangkuli nana temate lak aina kasung lak aina apong ting tada nana sem khuye aju tangku naga film association na Pekar kuiwang manga kuiwang penit mionda kethem thangkamai kakusung khamatha itum nawi mangali sajitheng rok haire yakha kakusunga yur akhang sada khle atama khali itumna miwi lasak anada atama khali itumna miwi film yenglaga Heitang kamay pingmang na bahapta say ha aju itum tangkol now tangkol film lasak kachung kha lengda sada thochan itumoy identity kharjan zai kor lasak film aina itumli history sada leng sak hiwe ka kusung khamatha okuthili wa paida Tangkulwi identity Kamatai jithai khabai film hiaina okthil expose halaga Tangkulwi maika ka khia Kamatha zai kor mupung phamaida jithai shap khabai film wi association ping hili nawi gajingramwi award heithang khamai matai sangmilo ningkha yangkha kokha salaga aruila Tangkuri lungli khamatha ka chungkha makazip khuram da leida leye zai kora kazip khuilaga matha maida mupung pha maida salaga platform ko chungkhali privra Yurhina Talen ko chung khalei da khalei hi Shichin laga Savai laga Mirin we Pekar kuida Regasang hakasang li Yurli kukutom Yuri mga kukui sada Sawa pai kawai Shichin tei kawai Tei thang kamay mi pu avali Nano somilo Lum silaway na Okutui hunna kawai ringa pa hiyay na Talen kamata aman kasakji Shiman hai pai shine Nano lum shan mida Nana mida klay Hiyay na oktui pai re Hiyay na oktui li Ina oktui li Tang kuli kamata Saji thay shaprar kachiwi Ning ring ling saklaga Film Association hi Haksang sak milo Matay sang sak milo Masyasang sak milo Chui kada wada Aju tangkul Film Association hiwi aina Pay kar poklaga Chui kamirin ni wasungda Ok tuiling yaw shap kawai Tangkul wing kamata Itu may asang Itu may zatkna Itu may acheare Zai koro ok tuili jitay shap kawai ngajuan milo Aju wi program Haku pokay na arura sungda nanang somida Nana thanmida Jingri ay na kupsangay re Akama Program lay dakhlay ka jivali la ajuwi Nanang sok mitada Thanmida jingri ringa pakabantan Film Festival hisak kuy ay na Tangkuwi Wat mga Atum na rin dakhlay zay koro la Mga wakvay Kala yari hukuna Kutom laga May kakayak ka Yari katongo ing sakvay Somi saloda Aruyata mitrani itumli Patamay da Itumay kamutjudli Sakmay da Ngaran mi jingda klaya Jishu Kristo wiming singda siyak Sane lumasyan li shida kasing ram chakada kusang milo Amen
Ning shinai re yari sai korili la mongpa meo se hinakang chang saura akama Zimikshoi Chief Kasi Shri Kushim Vashum Honorable Minister Veterinarian Animal Husbandry and Transport Nasamira Guest of Honor na Ramuiva IAS retired Honorable MLA 44 SC Ukru Zuringla Kengu IAS DC Ukru Colonel Manoj Shinde Commandant 24 AR Nasamira GA na performance la lay pom bom da lay achirag hyping akamala sampang lushit say je hangai mangpam